जी। Very good afternoon, all of you. Uh, and we are beginning with our live speaking. Okay, as we promised early in the morning that we did a session. Um, Before starting, uh, I would like to share a little bit of information regarding speaking. Okay, and uh, okay, I would like to share a little bit about speaking, and that will be directly related to the question card. Okay, so I'm beginning today's topic that we are doing in the live speaking. Okay, how it will go. First of all, I'll tell you that how this will work. First of all, I will explain you the topic. Okay, first of all, I'll tell you what is a cue card. Okay, how it should be done. Okay, then I'll explain you the whole cue card also, and those who are like interested, okay, they can really prepare. I'll give you a time to prepare also. Okay, we will do modern questions, and then you will get a chance. Okay, anybody can raise hand and unmute their uh, mics. Okay, and they can really give a speaking according to that topic. Okay, so you don't have to prepare. Okay, I will be helping you. Okay, if you make a mistake also, uh, I will be there. Okay, I'll be improving it. Okay, and you can really give your speaking. After your speaking, if you do it well, I'll also ask you some counter questions. Okay, so you can know that how you performed. Okay, and little bit of discussion will go on. Okay, and that discussion will be as according to the topic. So that will be a 4 or 5 follow-up questions, and that will really make sense that in this lockdown period that many of the students have really not given a speaking. Okay, so especially for those only we have like brought this, and according to your model answers, many other students would also be able to know that how a speaking should be given. Okay, so I am welcoming you on the behalf of Storm Overseas Education. I am your tutor Vinod Sharma, and let's do it. Okay, so the today's topic. First of all, today's topic. Let me run the slide. Okay. First of all, this is a topic that you will get it like this. You will get a question card. Okay, before this session what happens is examiner will ask you uh, some introductory questions that we'll do, so that we'll do in our introductory part. In the live speaking we will only do the topic and the counter questions. Okay, so first, okay, what are the rules for a cue card? Okay, this is known as cue card. A majority of the people know this thing as a cue card, and many of them feel really very comfortable. It is not a hard job. Okay, it is very easy. Okay, it is predictable because all the every 3 months the cue card list is like changed, and everybody gets the cue card list. It is approximately 60 cue cards. Okay, so this time also the recent examinations are not going on, but definitely every time first 25 topics are like repeated. So we are doing the 25 topics. We will select every day one topic and we will do, so many of you can really uh, understand it. Okay, you can learn it. Many of you who are prepared, okay, can get themselves analyzed. Okay, so first of all you get, okay, the time duration. Okay, the time duration is 2 minutes. The examiner, when you complete your introductory questions, what happens is the examiner will give you a topic. Okay, a topic. The topic will be like this. Okay, The topic will be like this, as it is displayed on the screen. Describe a person who has apologized to you. Today, the model exam, the topic is here, and in this way, you will get a topic. And after that, the examiner will say that you have 1 to 2 minutes to prepare. Okay, he'll give you 1 minute to prepare, and he or she will say you have 1 to 2 minutes to speak. Okay, now many of the students, what they have some information like that they have to speak for 2 minutes. No, it is not like that. You have to speak. You have to complete your cue card between 1 to 2 minutes. So the minimum time duration should be 1 minute, and maximum should be 2 minutes. So if you are a very good English speaker, if you think I can elaborate for 2.5 and all, no, it is not like that. You have to really finish it in time. Okay, whatever, you don't have to speak here and there. You have to speak on the subject, related to subject, and there are questions directly asked to you that you have to really answer. Okay, so first of all, when you how to speak 1 to 2 minutes. Okay, here you get a topic like this. Okay, in this topic, there is one thing very clear. Okay, that what is the first of all, you have to identify that what is the subject of this topic. Okay, so can anybody tell me what is the subject of this topic? Okay, the subject of this topic can be identified कि ये क्वेश्चन है वो किस बारे में पूछा गया है, सेना विषय प्रश्न पूछा. Okay, what is the most important one word in this sentence? Okay, you can write in the chat box. Okay, if you understand what I'm saying. Okay, what is the subject of this topic? उसके बारे में आपको 3 से 4 सेंटेंस बोल के एक इंट्रोडक्शन बोलना है. Okay, you have to speak an introduction. Okay, and then you need to introduce your main answer, and then you have to answer this sub questions. Okay, like I would like if you people become more interactive. Okay, you can really chat and you can tell me what is the apologize. Okay, so Malab Bhavsar has answered, and that is exactly 100% correct. Okay, that is apologize. Okay, you can say apology. Okay, the subject of this topic is apology. It is a wonderful subject. Okay, so you have to start uh, talking about apology. How? What you can talk about apology? You can talk a lot about apology and how. Look, what is an apology? Okay, it is really a very good gesture, saying sorry. Okay, apologizing to somebody. Okay, if we have made a mistake. Okay, we have made a mistake. It is really a good gesture to show that we really care for them. And anybody who doesn't apologizes when they make mistake doesn't look good. Okay? So first, you can make any 2 3 sentences on apology. Okay, whenever you can for example, you can start like this. Many people apologize when they make a mistake. Okay, and it is a very good gesture of one's personality. One who doesn't apologize doesn't look good. Okay, and it even can spoil some relations. It can affect relations. You can make whatever good basically introduction you want, but it should be saying sorry. Okay, if you don't understand apology, it is basically sorry. We all make mistakes in our life. Okay, we all make mistakes in our life. Some of the mistakes are knowingly, some of the mistakes happen unknowingly. Okay, we make mistakes knowingly and unknowingly. It is not like sure, sometimes we even don't know that we have harmed somebody, we have really hurt somebody. Okay, so at that time, it is good that we apologize them. Whenever we come to know that if we are hurting somebody's emotions, if we have really made a mistake and it is harming somebody in a big way, then it is good that we apologize. Okay, apologizing is basically we can approach to the person, we can say sorry. Okay, we can say some warm words to them. Okay, and these words can uh, really improve our wrong thing done that we have done. So basically, apology is very good. We should even teach small children to say sorry when they make a mistake, because that also makes them very kind person. Okay, so you can really talk a little bit, 2 or 3 sentences. You don't need to make a story. Here I am explaining you the whole topic, so I am telling you all these things. Okay, you just need to select 2, 3, or 4 sentences. Okay, you can also share as that your incidents, that in your life you may have apologized to many people when you have made a mistake. It can be your parents. Normally we apologize to our parents when we make mistakes. It can be to our siblings, okay, to our like sister, our cousins, siblings, okay, our neighborhood people, okay, our friends, okay. We like make promises, okay, sometimes, but like promises we sometimes we don't even keep them. Okay, we like so sometimes it happens really knowingly that we don't want to do that, okay, and unknowingly also. So at that time, what we need to do, we need to go and apologize to those person. Okay, so and in this topic, after talking a little bit about apology and all, okay, 2, 3 sentences are enough. You don't need to give a whole lecture, but opening with a subject really makes a strong impression to the examiner. 2, 3 sentences about apology. Okay, so first thing that all the students will do is they will identify what is the subject of the topic. The subject is वन वर्ड. अगर मैं हिंदी में कहूँ तो जो भी पूरे सेंटेंस जो कहना चाहता है, जिस बारे में कहना चाहता है, वो सब्जेक्ट होगा. ઓકે, જે જેના વિશે આખું સેન્ટેન્સ બોલાવવામાં આવ્યું છે એ એક સબ્જેક્ટ અહીંયા છે. અપોલોજી વિશે આખું સેન્ટેન્સ છે. Now, and the main question is you have to describe about a person. You have to describe about a person who has apologized to you. So basically there will be people in your life, okay, that who have made mistakes or who have hurted you or who have like apologized to you in so many ways. So here you have to describe about that person. Okay, so here your main answer starts. Okay, after speaking 4 or 5 sentences about apology, it can be simple, sweet, very clear. You can say that many people have apologized to me when I have made a mistake, when they have made a mistake, and a person looks great when that person really forgives them. Okay, if somebody says an apology to us, so it is our duty that we really forgive them. Okay, okay, we accept their apology. Some people really don't even accept apology, so that is also not a good gesture. So there will be people, it can be your small sibling also, your cousin, your friend, okay, that who has apologized to you. So then you will start like, here I am going to talk after speaking 2, 3 sentences about apology, okay, explaining apology. You will tell that here I am going to talk about a person who has apologized to me. Okay, this sentence is very much important. This sentence is really very much important. Sure that makes sure. One minute, there is a there is a problem. Okay, You will introduce your answer. Okay, after speaking 2 or 3 sentences about apology, you will introduce your answer that here I am going to talk, okay, till here, talk about a person who has apologized to me. This line is very much important, so the exam, so it strikes to the examiner that you are beginning your answer. Okay, so 2 or 3 sentences about apology is more than enough. Okay, we have 1 to 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Okay, the 1 to 2 minutes means we have 60 to 120 seconds. So basically, for an introduction, you can, if you are saying like 3 or 4 sentences, you can count in your mind like 20 seconds is more than enough. Okay, 20 or 30 seconds. Okay, don't speak so much fast. Okay, it doesn't really make sense to your pronunciation or fluency. It has nothing to do with that. Okay, so really you have to be relaxed when you are speaking. Okay, so take 20 to 30 seconds and say uh, 3 sentences, 4 sentences about apology. After that, after finishing that part, you will do, what you will do is you will go to the like main, you will start your answer. That will take 10 seconds. That here I am going to talk about a person who has apologized to me. Okay, and here when you reach here, your time has already reached 30 to 35 seconds or 40 seconds if you are like very comfortably, if you are speaking. Okay, so when you say here I'm going to speak about a person who has apologized, after that you will answer the W questions. The W family is who, when, why, what, where, how. Okay, these are the W families. Okay, so you need to say first, now don't speak here and there. Okay, you just answer what the question is there. Okay, so if the question is who the person is, means here you have to answer the name of the person, relation with the person, and one line that you can explain. This will make your cue card really very easy. On, you will be on the task response, you will not lose anything. Okay, so what happens to the majority of the student is they like prepare an essay and they speak a lot, let information is covered. Okay, information is covered, but if you sequence your answers, okay, and you give your answer, and as a part of cohesion you explain your answer, then it looks fantastic. You run for 7, more than 7. Okay, so basically who is the person, you can say the person who apologized to me was my younger brother whose name is Neil. Okay, for example, who is Vinod, or who is whatever, XYZ. Okay, blah blah blah. Okay, so what I said here, okay, as a task response, his name and your relation, because he you can also say a person apologize to me is my sister whose name is Shivangi. Okay, or like you can say the relation with the person. You can also say my neighbor apologized to me whose name is Desh. Okay, so the answer looks full. Okay, you can say, okay, you can also say he apologized for breaking my vehicle, or giving me late something that I have given to him. Okay, the reason can be plenty. Okay, there can be many reasons. Okay, so whatever, for, okay, if he have like promised to come and he has not, he or she is not coming, so you, the person apologize. So this kind. Okay, second question, when this happened. Okay, when you answer this question with relation with, okay, the name and the relation with the person, you answer the question and you explain it a little bit. So again you say 2 sentences, and then uh, uh, when this happened. Okay, so here when stands for time. Okay, when, who stands for a person, when stands for time. Here you need to say when this person apologized. Here the question is demanding a specific answer, and that specific answer is the person may apologize during the morning. Okay, before day before, okay, or a month before, or a year or something, a year back, okay, any time it can be. Okay, so say recent things so you can do a proper discussion. Okay, don't say that he apologized me at 4 o'clock. He will look foolish. Okay, so this is in the morning, evening, afternoon. Okay, a week back, a month back. Okay, any time. Okay, you just need to mention time because it is asking time that when that person apologized. Okay, so say that when we were returning from a journey, okay, and my friend promised to uh, do something and he is like not making it, so say it. Okay, so when was the time? Now what this person said for apologizing. Okay, so when you reach here you will be like more than 60 seconds because there is a 30 seconds of an we have dedicated 30 seconds to introduction, then we introduce 10 seconds ourselves, like here I'm going to talk about a person, then we introduce the person and what this. Okay, so we are nearly 80 seconds, so we have already done we have achieved our time task response. We are not fully, but we have achieved our time, that is 1 to 2 minutes. Okay, so you can now say what this person said for apology. Okay, there are really some people say really very good words. Okay, they even write an apology letter. Okay, some people simply say sorry. Okay, small children also they say sorry, and now this kind of activity, they say, some people say some wonderful phrases. Okay, so you have to say what that person specifically said. Okay, and what reason he gave for apologizing you. Okay, if he or she has done something wrong to you, that person may have given you an apology. Okay, and also given you an explanation, so you can say 1 or 2 line about that. That also looks very good. And then here is the conclusion where you are like near 100 seconds. Okay, like this too, you can you can divide this in whatever time you are comfortable with. Explain how you felt about the apology. Okay, now when somebody has made a mistake, you are not happy with him or her. Okay, when they come to you, okay, when they say heart melting words, okay, when they really say some very heart melting words, okay, then you accept their apology. Okay, a person looks good when he or she accepts somebody's apologies, so it looks really very fantastic. So this is the whole explanation of this topic, and your task response should be divided exactly in this way. Okay, so this was, so anybody. Okay, so what you will do when you get a minute. Okay, when you get a minute in front of the examiner. Okay, so who this person is, you will write the name and relation. When this happened, you will say morning, evening, or something like that. Okay, or a year back, or a before a month or something. Okay, what this, so you can say sorry or whatever you have the person has said. Okay, make sure that you speak from your real life experiences and how you feel good. You can feel like your heart becomes like lightweighted when somebody says a sorry to you, so you feel really very good. Okay, so you forget all the grievance that you have kept. Okay, all the bad feelings that you have that have generated in your like brain, so you good. Okay, if you don't accept apology, then also it is a problem. But if you have accepted the apology, then really it looks fantastic. Okay, so anybody who is ready with this topic, okay, I'll be really glad to hear from you. You can speak for 1 to 2 minutes and I'll listen and I'll give you a brief feedback also. Okay, and I'll ask you some counter questions also, so you can really, if you need preparation time, then also it is fine. Okay, I can wait. And just write me in the chat box. If you are ready, then I'll say your name and you can start speaking. Okay, when you speak, okay, make sure that you on your video and mic. Okay, so I can see you. Okay, and we can do a conversation. Anybody who is ready, just write me in the chat box so I can know. If you make a mistake, don't worry. Okay, I will be helping you out. You just open your mic and you can give your speaking. And if you need a time, then also it is fine. I'll explain some counter questions that can ask. Okay, just give me a response here. Okay, so I can know that you are getting me properly. Otherwise, I will proceed to counter questions. Yes, Jai, are you ready?
યસ સર બોલું.
હા હા.
કાંઈ આપણે તો આ પેલું થઈ ગયું હતું ને ગઈ વખતે સવારના લેક્ચરમાં એટલે.
Repeat, કોઈ વાંધો નહીં.
It is common to apologize to other after making mistake. Through this, people can learn from their mistake and say sorry if they hurt any person. Here, I would like to talk about a time when a manager of the restaurant apologized to me for the inconvenience. I describe it briefly. Actually, 3 years ago, there was my 21 birthday. I wanted to celebrate with great excitement. So I invited my friends for dinner in my favorite restaurant named It and Treat. It located in a Visnagar.
It is located in the suburbs or something like that, you can say.
It located in suburb area. At that time, I visited this restaurant with my friends about 8 o'clock. First of all, we booked a table there and ordered food according to our own choice. The waiter said us to wait for 10 minutes, but we did not get food after the required time. I felt disappointed in front of my friend. Then I asked another waiter about our ordered food, and he told me that wait for some time. But again, we didn't get our order. Again, I asked waiter, but he ignored me. After it, I did complain to the manager of the restaurant. I informed him about the whole situation as well as the behavior of waiter. He apologized to me for this inconvenience. He promised me to the
Yes, correct.
He promised me to the best service for the next time. Also, he scolded waiter for bad service and told him to prepare fresh food for us. I thank him because we got fresh food with 20 minutes. All in all, that was the time when I apologized to me. I believe that apologizing to other help us to reduce inconvenience and disappointment. Okay, sir.
Okay, nice, nice. Very good attempt. Okay, very good attempt. Okay, just you can say the person's name if you want to make it more elaborated, and you can time. Okay, you said it was your birthday, so it is covered in the task response. Okay, what the person says for apology, that is also covered, because the person, it was like late food. It was about late food. You did not received food on time that the waiter has promised. Okay, you can just say formally more like that, we were me and my friends were at a restaurant on the occasion of my birthday, and it was a really very fantastic time that me and my friend were spending time together. So we approached to a very popular restaurant in the suburbs of my city. Okay, where we just went and we ordered our food. Okay, in the beginning, like for 20 hours we waited after the order, and the food did not come. We waited for another 20 minutes and then I complained. Okay, so it looks more formal and all. You said that was wonderful. That was also covering everything. So make it little bit formal. Otherwise, it is okay. How you felt about the apology? That question also you covered very well. Okay, you like accepted the apology. Okay, sometimes you don't feel good at the in the beginning, but finally you like uh, accept it. Okay, so okay, Jay, I'll ask you some one or two counter questions. Okay, are you fine?
Okay, sir. I will try to answer.
Okay, definitely. The only one thing in the life you have to make, that is a try. The person who tries, that never fails. Okay, the person who never tries, we cannot guarantee about that person. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. So have you ever said sorry to someone?
Yeah, I am saying sorry.
I have.
I had.
I have. HAV. I have said.
I have sorry to my teacher when I was in college. Teachers give me a project to our team, and our team does not complete it in time. At that time,
I said. So
I have to say sorry to my teacher.
okay, very nice answer. Okay, you can say in more formal manner. Definitely yes. Okay, so confidence. Definitely yes, sir. I have made a lot of mistakes. Okay, knowingly and unknowingly, I have said sorry. Once I got a project. Okay, once I got a project from my college teacher, and I did not complete it on time. So I said sorry. Okay, very good answer. It was correct. Second question, should we teach children to say sorry?
Yes, we should teach children to
Yes.
say sorry, because after making mistake, he or she able to say sorry about his or her guilty.
Definitely, yes. Definitely, you can say in a more better way that we should definitely teach children how to say sorry, because that makes them generous. Okay, they accept their mistake. Okay, so it is good. Okay, Jay. Now, tell me, what do you think about those people who never say sorry?
Because some people never say sorry after making mistake because of his or her ego problem,
Yeah,
and
because some they have some ego issues,
ego is.
so they don't say sorry. Okay, Jay, it is enough for today. It is like you made an attempt that was really very good. Okay, Jay, Kharekar, you attempted, you came, really that was very good. Okay, you like anytime you make, or sometimes it never goes perfect all the time, but you answered all the questions correctly. The grammar and all things can be prepared by practicing and again. Any of your answer was not wrong. Okay, any of your answer was not wrong. It can be said in more good way, because English is a language that you can play with it if you are very comfortable. So it was absolutely very good attempt. Okay, so yes, next, anybody else? Yes,
सर
next.
થઈ ગયું બધાનું
How? Ami,
તો
you are ready?
હા સર
Ha.
હા ready sir.
Yes, go on.
We can't write all the time, but not apologizing for what we did wrong can really hurt the other person. That being the reason I always apologize whenever I commit any mistake. However, here I am going to talk about a time when other person apologized to me because he committed a mistake. સર અવાજ ક્લિયર આવો ને તમને?
I'm clear. Don't worry. Go on.
Okay, sir. So last month, one of my friend borrowed a two-wheeler for the day, and she knew very well that
One of my friend borrowed my vehicle.
two-wheeler ના બોલાય sir એમ?
Vehicle, two-wheeler because vehicle go, it is enough.
Okay. One of my best friend borrow a vehicle for the day, and she knew very well that I am very possessive
For a day.
for a day.
A day.
Yes, yes, sir. for a day, and she know very well that I am very possessive about my vehicle. I ask her to take good care of it, as I know she is not a very good driver. And in fact, this is the reason why her father does not buy her any vehicles. But she promised me to drive it very carefully and safely. However, when she returned it in the evening, she sounded very low, and she told me that someone hit the two-wheeler when she was stuck in a traffic jam. She was feeling very guilty for not taking care of my vehicle, and she apologized repeatedly for his negligence. And she assured me that she would get it repaired the first thing the next morning. I did feel sorry for the thought.
Okay.
I did feel sorry for her though, but at the same time very sad as my vehicle was damaged. But somewhere in my mind, I knew that this was not her fault. Normally, I easily lose my temper, but it was because of her sincere apology that I could not stay mad at her for very long. So the next day, she went me to the mechanic, and luckily, the damage was not so bad or expensive to fix. She apologized again and assured me that she had been more vigilant in the future. We are still good friends. And I feel that receiving an apology and forgiving someone is the best way to maintain and make relationships stronger. So this was the incident when someone apologized to me.
Very good answer. Excellent. Okay. The words, vocabulary, task response was correct. Okay. You first of all you spoke that is wonderful. Second, you answered all this question when, for what apology. You explained the apology. Okay. You
Yes.
also used some lexical resources. Okay. That was also wonderful. Okay. So I'll ask you one or two questions. Okay. So when
Okay, sir.
was the last time somebody apologized to you apart from this incident?
Last time during summer vacation, one of my very small 15-year cousin come to my house, and he damaged my mobile phone, and I lost my important document and images that I store in the mobile phone.
I lost my data on phone.
Okay.
At that time, you say that you accepted the apology, okay?
Yeah, okay, sir.
You can say like that. The last time somebody said sorry to me was when uh, a cousin from a nearby town came to my house, okay, by mistake. He was playing with my mobile phone, and she broke it, okay, and she was really very sorry for it, and I forgive. Okay, I lost some
Okay.
data, okay, so but I forgive after her sincere apology. Okay, yeah,
Okay.
good.
Okay.
The next question, I'll say, what do you think about those people who never say sorry? How, yeah, so you can say, how do you feel about those people who never say sorry?
Do you feel about?
How do you feel? Okay, it is your feeling about uh, some
Yes.
people who never say sorry. You don't like them normally who don't say sorry, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Okay, I'll say that answer.
Sir, feeling માં તો શું?
You don't feel good. Simply, you don't need a vocabulary for that. Okay, you just I don't like feel annoying. Okay, I don't feel good when somebody is not apologetic. Okay, it is I feel that that person has a rude behavior. Okay, so I don't feel good.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you can say like that. Okay, yes. Okay, I mean it was good, fantastic. Okay, we'll
Sir,
do.
એક બે કરો question.
Aji Garu? Okay. So, do you
Yes.
like to say thank you?
Yes, sir. I like to say thank you whenever someone help me, or
Yes, yes.
someone gift me, or some give good wishes to me on festival or some special occasions.
Okay. You can say when somebody does me a favor. Okay, there is
Yes, sir.
favor, correct? Definitely. When somebody does me a favor, okay, I really feel very good. Okay, when somebody helps me, I feel good. At that time, I definitely say thank you. Okay, and it
Okay.
really makes you look. It really makes you look good that you say thank you. Okay.
હા સર સેન્ટેન્સ વધારીને લાંબુ ક્વેશ્ચન આન્સર બનાવવાનો એમ જ ને
See, cohesion. આપણે શીખીએ છીએ ને cohesion. That is
હા
really very important.
ઓકે
So
સર
tell me that should we punish students in school when they make mistakes?
sometime yes and sometime not. If a mistake is very serious, that we should punish children's students no sir
Yeah,
students
yeah. Students को children नहीं कहो students को.
students but if his mistake is not very big, so we let him
Go. Okay,
go.
you
Yes.
can formulate it like this. Definitely, if it is like if the thing is we if we can teach them that they can not repeat it again. Okay, if it is a light kind of mistake, definitely we should like uh, tell them what is right and wrong. But if they have done something very much serious, then a punishment. Okay, a punishment is not always physical, but a punishment can be very simple. Okay, we can give them that work to do again and again, and we can. Okay, Ami.
Okay sir.
Okay, now I've seen an hand. Malav is ready. Malav Bhavsar. Okay, Malav, you can start.
સર નથી આવડતું છે બોલવાનું થોડી તકલીફ પડે.
કોશિશ કરો જેવું આવડે it would be fine. I'll help you if you make a mistake. You
સર
can
આજે નહીં થાય.
you can try if you want to.
No.
Okay, okay, fine. Okay, I'll discuss some of the questions. Okay, myself that you can really that can help you in your counter questions. Okay, I'll give
Okay,
some
okay.
answers also, and you can say answers like that when a question is related. Okay, it is not sure that this question is going to come. Okay, definitely we cannot say that this is the question that is going to come, but there are some questions which are commonly asked. I'll answer them. Okay, the answer will not be 100% correct, but it will be relatable. Okay, it will not be wrong also. So is it important to say sorry? Definitely yes, it is very much important to say sorry. Okay, if we have done something wrong, it may hurt somebody's feeling, and we if we don't apologize, okay, it can be it can cause a problem in a relationship also. So it is good to say sorry, and it is always good to say humble words in our apology. Second question is, in what situations people do say sorry? When they make mistakes, when they are late, okay, when they are late somewhere, when they break something, okay, when they are not able to reach on time, okay, when they fake a promise, when they like not able to keep their promise. So there are plenty of situations when people say sorry, and sorry is like sorry cannot like improve the situation totally, but it can make it little bit lighter. Okay, so basically you can select 2 3 answers when people are late, okay, when they break any promise or something. Okay, small children say sorry when they have damaged something in house. Okay, so these are kind of some reasons where people say sorry. So why do some people hate to say sorry? Okay, there are some really rude people. Definitely yes, there are some people who are rude, who are not that much cooperative, who are not sincere, they don't have a good personality. Okay, they are unapologetic. Okay, so they feel that they are something in the world, they don't say sorry. Okay, but it is not a good behavior. It is not a good behavior. So this is the reason why do some people don't hate to say sorry. Okay, sometimes it is difficult to say sorry in if we have not made a mistake, okay, and if we have to say sorry, so it is difficult for a true person also to say sorry. So this can also be a situation. So in what situations people apologize immediately? Okay, immediately if you are in a queue or if you hurt someone, okay, if you are in a meeting and if a telephone rings, okay, if you are like making a conversation and you if you interrupt in the communication, then definitely you immediately say sorry to the people. Okay, so these are some immediately said sorries, and people accept these apologies. Okay, so it doesn't create a clash. Okay, so when do people say thank you? Whenever they are favored. Okay, when they get help, people say thank you when they are favored, when they get a sincere help. Okay, when they feel good that somebody is with them, so they say a thank you. And when was the last time you found it hard to accept an apology? When there is a tremendous damage done to you or your thing. Okay, when there is a big damage, okay, it is from a close one. Okay, then you find it really very hard. You find it really very tough to accept an apology. But as a generous character, definitely uh, you need to accept that apology. So these are some questions that can be asked. Okay, those who have not given speaking, okay, or okay, those who are watching this on Facebook or something, they can definitely join in on Zoom by the given link or the ID number, and they can really participate in this thing. Okay, you will get a real time feedback, and I'll be happy to help you, okay, during this tough process. And this conversations will be more fruitful in coming days, so I accept more people participate. Okay, and I'll try to make it more interesting, okay, every day. So thank you very much guys for attending this live speaking. Okay, those who participated, I feel really very good about you. Okay, so thank you very much. I'll be doing every day these sessions at 4 o'clock with a new topic. Okay, bye bye. See you.